Do you have runs and streaks when cleaning wheels? This is the reason why. Welcome to the S&S Auto Supply YouTube. I'm Shane. Today is tech tip number 8. Today we are going to show you the correct way to use wheel acids on vehicle wheels. So a couple of the most common mistakes made when you're cleaning wheels is, one, you always want to cool the wheel off first with water. I don't care if it's the winter time, just get in the habit of spraying the water on the wheels or on any surface on the outside of the vehicle before you put any kind of cleaners on. And number two, when you're using the acids or heavy duty degreasers or things like that, always spray from the bottom up. And the reason being is if you spray from the top and it runs down on a dry surface, you're going to cause streaking. If you spray from the bottom up, you're spraying on a wet surface, and when this run happens, it's going down on a surface that's already got the chemical on it. Then you won't get the runs and streaks. So today we're going to demo number 755 Chrome Wheel Cleaner. This is an acid for chrome, aluminum. If you dilute it down, that's coated, and it's a good cleaner all around for wheels. So wet the first surface first, take your acid, spray it on the wheel from the bottom up. Okay. One of the most frustrating parts in using wheel acids is the acids takeout sprayers. There's a spring and a plunger assembly. It dissolves it and makes it so it doesn't want to pump. One of the things a lot of my guys do out in the field when they're using wheel acids, to remedy that, take the head off, spray the acid through at the end of the day. This way here, there's no acid sitting in the plunger assembly to eat away at the spring and the plunger. The heads will last a little bit longer doing that. And now back to cleaning the wheel. So this is the correct way to spray an acid wheel cleaner on a wheel. Spray from the bottom up. Give your wheel acid a couple minutes as a dwell time to let it do its job properly. Take a wheel brush or something you're going to use to scrub the wheels and agitate the surface. We should be wearing gloves. And then the most commonly made mistakes when doing any kind of acid on any surface is you must neutralize the acid before you rinse it off. If you just rinse the wheel off, the acid is not dead. So take any one of our multi-purpose cleaners, mix 2 to 3 ounces to a bottle, mist it on the surface. Again, by doing that, you're neutralizing your acid. Then take your hose or pressure washer and rinse your wheel off. Now your wheel is rinsed and clean, and you don't have any acids that are still alive because you've neutralized the acid with an all-purpose cleaner. Thank you for watching.